Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into download mode. So to get started, you'll need to grab a cable, plug it into your computer, and then on your phone, swipe down twice and then click on the power button, select power off twice. And when the device turns off, you're going to hold volume up and volume down at the same time, and while holding them, you're going to plug it in. As you can see, this shows up with a warning page right here, and all we need to do is press volume up to continue, and this is our download mode. So that's how you boot into this mode. Now to leave it, you can see there's a message. We need to hold our power button and volume down for more than 7 seconds, so that's what I'm going to do right now. There we go, the phone will reboot, and when it boots back up, it automatically enters the Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.